guys, it's Kayla, and I'm delivering a squishy package. Sorry, I had to think about that. I don't know if it's my third, let's just say it's my fourth, because the second squishy package I did, I got scammed, and I don't think anyone wanted to see that. And so far I did was first squishy package and the third, so I'm just gonna say this is the fourth one. So I don't want to show my address. I got 3 squishies, and I'm going to be showing you. Let's start. And I'm not using iMovie because it always shows that it's private, so I'm just not going to be doing that. So, yeah. I'm not the best at opening these things, so it always takes me forever, as you could tell if you watch my other videos. Okay guys, you get the first look once I open this freaking thing. Sorry, you guys can speed through. Okay, I'm not looking at now. Oh my gosh, I got the rice. I see like squishy people use rice. I'm gonna open this. Super soft, I can already tell. Let's see if I'm right. Yep, I'm right. I can just tell when a squishy's really squishy. I can just tell if the squishy's really soft. I can just tell squishy anything. Does that make sense? Oops, my camera. Why am I zoomed up? Oh yeah, editing. Anyways. Smells like chemicals. I'm really disappointed. I don't think rice really has a scent to it, so I mean, I don't know. Squishies, they can do stuff with scents. They could have made something else, not just chemicals, but squishies are squishies, and I don't like the squishies. The next one I'm gonna do is this one. This one seems really slow rising. Sorry, I had the squishies in packaging because I wanted to squish the packaging. Okay, comment down below who's your idol, like squishy rooted people. Okay guys, you get the first look. I got another llama? That was in my scammed video. I'm so confused. Why did I get another llama? I don't know, I'm very confused right now. I'm sorry, I'm so quiet. I'm just like, why did I get a llama? I'm just so confused. I'm just remembering the time I ordered this, because the squishy company did not give me any of these today, because I remember what the heck? I remember getting this on Amazon. I don't know, let's just move on. I'll just give it to my friend because she doesn't have a lot of squishies, so I work for the squishies, but I'm willing to give her some. And excuse for what I'm wearing. I'm just like, it's not late at night, it's like 6. I don't know if that's late for you guys, but yeah, I'm just wearing my little onesie and stuff. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna do this one. This is another one I get. English Kayla, if this is another one I get, I'm just gonna be really pissed. Oh, I don't think I was supposed to, whatever. I'm not gonna look at it. I got the beer! Okay, I do not remember ordering this, so maybe a squishy company gave it. I don't know how it works, but I do not remember ordering this. Ooh, that scared me. Yeah, I don't remember ordering those. Oh my gosh, it's like already kind of open and it's so soft. Oh my, it smells like mint. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. is. Let's see. Squishies are upping their game on the squishiness. No joke. Because when I get squishies, like, remember, on my scan package, I got like this blue one. It was like I was squishing it, and it was just like I didn't even see it right back. It was like this. I mean, I'm not. It's like I'm trying to put my full force, and it's like dense, so it's not even like a throwback. If I wasn't squishing this like hard, there's like I don't know how to explain it. Hopefully you guys know what I mean. And thank you all for 8 subscribers. I only had this for how many days? Seriously, I don't know if that's impressive to anyone, but to me it is. Okay, and these are the 3 I've got, even though I got this one already, which is disappointing. But yeah, this is my favorite one out of the whole packaging. I just like squishing the rice. It's like so satisfying. Like feels really nice. And again, when I was talking about upping their game, like, hold up. The graphics though. The detailing though. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with my vocabulary. The detail. Yeah. The detailing is on fleek. Oop. My camera's moving again. I just like showing this background. And yes, I'm using a chair. It looks like I'm standing up. I don't, you know. So, yeah. Thank you all for watching my squishy video. Squishy package 4, I'm just going to say. And I love you all, and thank you. So, I should probably take this down because I can't take myself seriously. Let's restart. Thank you all for watching my 4 squishy package, and I appreciate it, and I love you all so much, and have a cat-tastic day.